The web chat process starts on the website when a web chat session is invoked by the customer. This can be achieved via clicking a web chat button on the website. This button initiates an online form which the consumer completes to identify themselves, and the form is then presented to the numero solution to begin the chat dialogue. Alternatively, the session can be invoked from within a personal page from My Account, in which case the customer does not have to complete the form because they are known to the system already through their login ID. The next stage in the process is where the dialogue between operator and customer starts. The inbound gateway is automatically polled looking for web chat sessions. Once Numero has detected a session through receipt of the chat request form, then the next step in handling the chat is the enrichment process. At this juncture, Numero Interactive performs multiple processes that are integral to the efficient processing of chat dialogues. Classifying the inbound chat automatically based upon the actual text content of the form. Extracting the key information from the form, such as name, account, order numbers, telephone numbers, product codes, reason to chat, and much more. Identifying if this message is from someone who has previously contacted the organisation, and indeed if this message is part of an ongoing communication thread, for which Numero is known as a case. The next stage in the chat handling process is to use a combination of the brand and the category classification to automatically determine the business process workflow. This workflow is used to control all the steps required to action the chat. Different categories of chat may be handled according to their own individual workflow. For example, a complaint is likely to have a different set of business tasks compared to a policy inquiry, which may be different to a service request. For steps that require human intervention, the Numero Resource Manager controls both who actions the chat work and when this task is undertaken. The manual workflow steps are queued for the appropriate skilled resource and offered in SLA-dependent sequence. In a chat session, the agent has work automatically pushed to them by the Resource Manager. This approach ensures that the right work is done at the right time. The agent uses their Numero unified desktop to view both the current work, in this case a chat, and any previous customer contacts. The Integral Content Management System, or knowledge base, supports the agent with predefined content organised into chat response types. The Supervisor Console provides a mechanism to view and manage the agent and work activity across the chat sessions and contact centre. The console has a range of sophisticated control and support functions, providing high-level activity monitors and real-time dashboards for both summary and detailed reporting. The console allows the supervisor to manage their teams and their work in real time. At any time, the supervisor can change both the size of the chat session queues and the agent profiles to ensure the required service levels are achieved. Numero, doing the right thing for our clients and their businesses. Do the right thing.